Hello, I am Howling Wolf, and I'm gonna have to keep it quiet right now because it's what gone. What's it is 11 o'clock at night, 11:30, and there's people asleep. So I'm keeping it quiet. Gonna start off with Infamous 2. Nice big screen for once. Yep. Sony Computer Entertainment presents Sucker Punch. Infamous 2. I always, when I first got it, I thought it was infamous, not infamous. Where am I? This part of the bay, alright. Yeah, that's a bit longer. Yeah, let's do that. I am going to do a little challenge. I'm going to see if I can get from one end of the map to the other without touching the ground. Because everyone who knows about Infamous knows it's a superpowered video game, and it's all about parkour. So, any. Alright. So this is the farthest point on this side of the map that I can find properly. But that's the longest out hanging one I see. So if I can make my way all the way through, across, and down, and all the way to say here, then yeah, I can do that. Like, why not just go straight that way, Wolf? But that'll be too easy, so I'm not. As you can see, there's still missions I haven't done. That's because I want enemies to appear, so I can, well, use them to buy any powers I haven't got. By doing so, I can buy and insulate powers like that, even though I bought them all already. It's just like spare money now, technically. Let's get going. Oop. Shit. Alright, restart. I thought I would have automatically jumped to that point then, but no. Trust me, I am good at this game. Restart, go. Cheat. Hmm. Safe ball doesn't run off. I could strike lightning tether. Please be in the right reach zone. Yes, there it is. That's better. Up I go. What are you thinking? I'm pretty sure that's cheating. No, this is cheating. Being able to do it whilst flying. Well, hovering. Static thrusters, so. Thrusting? Yep, explosion. Oop. I'm actually making my way around the wrong side at the side I didn't want to go. I'm doing it for a reason. There we go. It'll make the video a little bit more interesting. Well, as interesting as it's going to get, because this is just going to be me pissing about on a map. Might do one of the missions for you later, just so you can get to see it. Oop. This is cool right here. Look at this. the entire tower is going down. I love when that happens. Come on, speed. Speed is key. Go. We're going into Flood Town now. This place is literally flooded. For this, I'm going to want Ice Launch. This one. So this will work more effectively. Oh. Boom. No, no, no. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I shouldn't have stopped. Crap. Wait, where? How far away? Oh. I'm just gonna. I'm not on the ground. Screw it, you didn't see that. I'm not on the ground. Cheating to bending the rules to my favor, just because I doubt you want to see me do all that again. So this place is much more treacherous. Look at it. Because anyone that knows Cole McGrath, which is the main character in this game, would know he's weak to water. Which, in a fight, if he was to fight the person from Infamous Second Son, which is Delson Rowe, would be a good advantage to Delson. But unfortunately, Delson would know that. And why the hell would they be fighting anyway? I'm pretty sure Cole and Delson would get along. They're both reckless. Can be a little bit cocky as well sometimes. But Cole's cockiness is backed up by pure power. Cole is cocky for a reason. I'm on a rock, not on the ground. Bending the rules. Yay. There you go. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, I'm mostly evil karma here because this game's got a karma system, and I decided to go the bad route for the last game, so I'm bad Cole. Even though the bad ending is more cool and should be canon, it's not. The good ending is canon, which I call bullshit on. Right, where am I going? Down from. Yep, from here. Yeah, right from here. I know I'm not talking, but like I said, it is late-ish. It's not as late as that time I did that 3 a.m. Pokemon upload, which was on my main channel, not this channel I will be uploading to today. And I did a Pokemon video at like 3 a.m. and I was like, ugh. Pole dancing? Pole dancing. Cole's a stripper confirmed. Right. Lightning Tether's gonna work better here. Oh, hello, musician. Goodbye, musician. Street performer silenced. Nah, no little message off like one of the bad characters. Alright. I am. No, 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 no. I'm not on the ground. Screw you. I'm not on the ground. I want a porta potty. Look, do you want me to go back to the start and do it all again? Because that would be so boring. Technically, this isn't the ground because that's ground. Nope, screw it. I'm here now. This is where I said I was going. This is where I'm gonna stay. Shit. I gave up on Infamous to switch to GTA 5. I don't actually use GTA 5 online because the PlayStation 3 devours the internet. It is like a pretty much it was like a gluttonous demon at a buffet when it comes to eating internet for the PS3. So I don't use online at all. All the games you're seeing are pretty much stock bought and updated, which is fun for me because I get all the glitches, all of them. Well, fuck you too. I want to put music over this video, but I can't. Just give you something to listen to in the background. Nah, and all my music is on the phone I'm recording with, so. Pardon me. Uh, I'll come back when. And we're back. I was currently playing as Trevor, I see, last time I turned this on. I bet you're looking at this thinking, shit, those graphics are horrible. Don't worry, you're gonna see some even worse graphics later when I put GTA San Andreas on. What the hell what the hell is Ron doing? Alright. Let's go to Trevor's airfield. Right, down there. I'm a horrible driver as well, so See, I didn't even see that. Oh, oh, screw you. Screw you too. Whoop. Exactly my sentiments. Let's go see if the helicopter is where it spawned. Eh. Go on, Trev, you old dog, run. Cargo Bob. Hmm. Nah, I'm not gonna do that yet. Let's just go for a little fly as Trevor. Well, I'm pretty sure I could turn this up a little bit. It's not that loud. There you go, I'll do. Albeit I would prefer a stunt plane, but this'll do. Well, no. Well, no. Not crashing that quickly. It's good to fly again. Been a while since I've played this game. Right, now where is he? Where's the good old one? There they are. Oh, 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 no, 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 you're right, we're good, we're good, we're sweet. So just chilling out in his cockpit. And I will come back when we get there. Alright, we're almost to it now, Mount Chiliad. Whoa, water. Don't wanna go in there. Just driving up, just gonna fly up the side of Mount Chiliad. Hopefully I don't crash. Last thing I need right about now is to crash up the side of Mount Chiliad. This is my favorite place in the entire map. Just because of how difficult it is to maneuver yourself around up here. Flying is piss easy. I mean on like bikes and stuff. It's so much fun trying to get up here. I don't have enough speed or altitude for this. Oh, the hen house. Do I want to be a hero? Nah, that's not Trevor's MO. Even though it's just Trevor's MO is more drugs. I'll leave them deal with the paparazzi themselves. Ooh, right. Up. Time to make my ascent. Oh, no, wait. I gotta do it. Whoops. Someone put the we need a hero over this quickly. We need a hero. No, we're gonna get away. Come on, Trev. Move. Move. Quickly go. Shit, I failed. Whoops. I didn't go quick enough. But I got the police on me, so that's something. Since when did the hen house even have celebrity clientele? I haven't got a shotgun, that's weird. Oh, Jesus. Right, you wanna? Right. Come on. A little 4x4 that could. Come on. You pick up that could. Oh my god, this is horrible. Why did I come down into this road? Yeah, I can't drive over a fucking trolley. GTA physics. You can go through some rocks. Can't drive through a trolley. Bye. Oh god, no. Don't spin out on me. Whoa. Come on, speed, speed, speed. Come on, go, go, go. Damn, I can't switch either. If I stick as close as I can to this. Truck. There we go. A bit of boost of speed now. So when I shot out earlier. Jesus Christ. Oh, damn. Yeah, piggies, come on. Oh, don't you want to go off-road? Come on, pigs. Whoa. Oh, the front of my car is whoa. The front of my car is destroyed. No, not that easy, Twitch. Oh, damn. What I don't need right now is an axle to be damaged at all. I can get, if I can just get to the airfield, I can get a plane and drive away, fly away. If you're thinking, Wolf, it takes forever. Yeah, but a helicopter doesn't. It takes about a minute. With his ability, I should be able to survive. What? What was that? That has never happened. Alright, dumb ways to die in GTA 5. Getting out of an almost stationary vehicle. Tick. Right. Time to implement the only cheat I remember from GTA 5. Right. Oh god, I don't remember. Damn, I don't remember. I used to be able to do the Sanchez cheat, and I can't remember it now. Ah, bugger. Oh, hello. Yes, please. Um, du- 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 du. Thank you. I forgot that happens. Let's keep driving. Oh, damn. I hit the petrol. Alright. I'm not really good at a sniper. I would like to requisition your vehicle. Bye. Turn our. See? My wheel literally just destroyed that rock. Yeah, I can't drive over a shopping trolley. I don't know if that was fixed in the updates, but GTA 5 logic base. Wow. Oh, thank you. Where's my stupid sudden burst of speed? Come on. I want me speed. Whoa. Whoa. Cool your tits, bruv. Cool it. Oh god, the sirens. Wow, 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 wow. I will have to write down some cheats for these games next time I'm here so I can cheat through them. Have some proper fun with them. No. I want to switch to Franklin. I prefer Franklin to Trevor. Not because of like character, just ability. I find Franklin's ability is a much more useful ability when it comes to this game because it is literally slowing down time whilst driving. Driving is the main point of the game, and Grand Theft Auto. So let's switch to Franklin. Frankie boy, what are you up to, bruv? Alright, you in your house. 100 tips of war? No, no, 100 tips of war. What was that book? Fuck you two, don't delete this, isn't spam. Gray Nicholson. Alright, I'm making you rich. Don't delete this, this isn't spam, you know, the guy whose bike you got back yesterday. Well, that's me, and guess what, I'm a seriously rich. Have you heard of the Animal Ark, the all-natural pet store? I started that company 3 years ago when I was just 17 years old, and now I've got like 8 homes. Turns out organic pet food is totally recession proof, but it was never about the money. But even when I floated the business on the stock market exchange, I'm totally unchanged by it. I'm a new generation of millionaire. I don't believe in cynicism or working hard. Money is meaningless if you're spiritually blah 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 blah. Bike stolen. Young cool guy who got his bike stolen. You just saw a young cool guy who got his bike stolen. That's awesome, dude. So check this out. I'm sending you 100,000 rand of stock in Animal Arc. That way, I'm investing in you. You're investing in me. Some cool grey end. Uh, Whatever. What do I want to take? Do I want to take the pie? Do I want to take the bike? The bike or I'll take the bike. Oop. Oh god damn. I keep forgetting about the brakes on this because I was since I played GTA San Andreas, the buttons and the stuff is way old. So a simple tap is enough to send you spinning on that game. Here it takes a little bit more than just a tap. Actually, you have to hold it in for a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds. It's late. I didn't sleep last night. Screw time. Ow. Ow. What were you going, bitch? I was.
totally was looking where I was going. I wish the helmet was customizable so it would always be like the same color as the bike. Because purple bike, purple helmet. Oh, hello. I haven't seen one of you running around in a while. Let's go have a drive. Pretty sure the guy won't mind us borrowing his car. We did leave him a bike. Boom. Oops. My bad. Oh. Hello again. You. Oh, Christ. Buttons. I forgot. Buttons. I forgot you. Alright, I've only got a couple of seconds. Does it look like I'm bothered by the cops? I've got literally seconds. Get in. I haven't got seconds. Go, Franklin. Right. I need to get down off the. I need to get off the road. I need to get off the road, off the road, off the road. Ow. Right, where's an entrance to the underground? Alright, I'm gonna wanna hang a left. Up by here, I'm gonna wanna hang a left if I can. I'm gonna wanna jump. Right, I know where I'm going now. I'm gonna wanna. I'm going to want to spin here. I'm gonna barge my way across. Cop's still driving up that way. Oh no. Oncoming traffic, get out of my way. I'm gonna definitely want this. This is the ability I would love to have in real life. Just slow down time whilst you're driving. You'll be able to avoid so many crashes. Alright. Shit. Is the car damaged? Obviously it's damaged, but is it damaged unless you won't drive properly? No, I'm good. Alright, right. I need to keep going. Nope, I ain't going down that way. I'm not going down that way. Easy. Yes. I'm being lucky so far. I'm getting lucky. Oh my god, look at the front of my car. That is a write-off. Look, they're still coming, still coming. Where am I? Damn, I've gone to. Oh, I haven't. If I fling around here. Oh shit, my turning capability is horrible right now. Oh damn. Perfect. I lost them. Not bad. I lost them. Come on. Slow. Slow. Is that a building I own? Oh, downtown Calco. Go on, screw this car. It helped me, but I'm done with it now. Alright. Jumping from a height that any normal person will be able to survive. I'll take it. Dumb ways to die. I was playing GTA 5. Um, no. Damn it. I can't remember the cheat. Right.